Hi guys, it's 2017 Camry. It's an SE. We're changing the light bulbs, the headlights. It has two different light bulbs actually. It has high beam separate than the low beam. So we start from here. It's you just, as usual, you press, pull down, then you twist counterclockwise. It's not a full quarter turn, it's just a little bit less than quarter. And you just get one of them, put it back in there, try not to touch, twist, plug. Then we're gonna change the, I believe what I just changed is the low beam, so now we're gonna change the high beam. Same idea. And plug it back up, and we change that side. So now let's go to the other side. The other side is a little bit tight. It's just because the battery. If you want to remove the battery, you can. I'm not going to. Alright, so same again, press. Just got the screwdriver so I can actually help me push down. Second one. It's kind of tight, that's tight place. I'm sorry you can't see it. Let's try to do the best. That's it. Done. So, and here we go. Once again, it's 2017 Camry, changing both high and low beam light bulbs. Please help us subscribe and give thumbs up. Thank you.